Welcome to Arca International School channel. Subject English. Topics articles A and the day 7. So children, already you all learned that articles are a, and the. So let us study first A. You already know that for vowels we'll use and then consonant numbers we will use what? A. So here let's compare A and an. We use A before words which begin with consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z, isn't it? So we use A will before consonants letters. So for example, a doctor, a big car, a girl, isn't it? So D is what? D is consonant. B is also consonant. So you have to see the first letter, isn't it? We have to see the first letter. Here doctor, D is what? Consonant. B is, that is also consonant, and girl, G is also consonant. So that's why we use it A. Clear, children? So next slide, we also use A before U when it sounds like the word you and before you. So what happens sometimes when we are pronouncing, do you know what is pronouncing? So when you are talking, we will say, that saying is the pronunciation. So when the word sometimes what happen, we'll use A before you also. But you'll ask, no, ma'am, U is vowels, no, ma'am. Then why we have to use A consonant? So because it sounds university, isn't it? So like that sometimes during the pronunciation even the vowels sounds like a consonant. So that is why we will use A for you, isn't it? So next slide, sounds like you, start. So already I told you for you we will use the A. So here they gave the same example, sounds like you. So starts with university. So A, university. You should not write what you should not write? An university. Why you should not use an university? Because it doesn't pronounce like you. University, isn't it? University. So A, university. So next is like that. For example, sounds like you starts with you. European will not say European. So then what is you have to say? A European city. It won't pronounce like European. So you will say European. So that is why we'll use A European city. We use, now next we'll move on to the and. So I thought you people are understood how to use A. A will be used for consonants letters. Sometimes what happen, even for vowels we will use the A. Why? Because it depends on the it sounds. It sounds means what? When you hear, hearing, that is a sound. When I talk to you, you'll hear. What happen? How you will hear? It produces sound. When you produce sound that hears like consonant sounds, then you have to write the A. Now let us move on to the and. We use and before words which begins with vowels. So consonants begins with consonants letters. Here vowels, so that is A, E, I, O, U. Already you all learned. So there is no need to if you have already practiced, no need to repeat again and again. Even then I am telling you vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So in front of these we will use an. So for example, an apple. A is a, isn't it? An apple. An interesting film. See, A is what? Vowel. I is also vowel. So you just recall A, E, I, O, U, isn't it? So an apple, an interesting film. So that is why we use it which article? An, isn't it? So in the next slide, we also use an before words that begins with a silent H. What is this, ma'am? You said the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Then again by H we have to use an. H is not a vowel, no ma'am. It is consonants. So what I told before itself I told you when the letters are sounds, but here it don't sounds vowels. It's here the H letter is what? Silent. The first letter, if it is silent, the second letter is what? Second letter is vowel. Then we have to use what? Vowels, that is called article and. So let us see the example. See, silent, H is silent in our. Not will not say our, will say our. So H is what here? H is silent and OU or our. O is what? Vowel. Isn't it clear? Our. So and will be used for what? Vowel letters, and sometimes if it is first letter is silent, for example H is silent in this word, and then what? Next letter is what? Vowel is there. So that's why we are using an hour. Isn't it? Okay, the children. See, hard H, house. Isn't it? House. So here we'll use A only. Here H is not silent, so it is, will stress hard H. So house, a house. Next let's compare a and the. So already in this previous slides you learned a and. Now a and the will be three articles also. Let's compare. Mary, I bought a CD player and a TV yesterday. So here what she brought? I bought a CD. C is what? Consonant only, no. C, and a TV yesterday. Joe is telling, was the CD player expensive? So here why he's definitely knows that he saying was the CD player. Here what we have used? The. There we have used a. So here you can compare. Next is we use usually a and an with a noun to talk about person or thing for the first time. If we are talking about first time, we are, so in sentences so many times we will use a and an, but for which one we will use? We'll use for the noun. You already learned noun. Noun is the name of a person, name of a thing, name of a place, name of a animal. So when we are talking about any noun or any person or thing, first time, the second time the same person, if we say, it will changes. So then we will use a and an. Example, a CD player. The first time she said a CD player. The second time you are not supposed that Joe said, that is what he said, the CD player. First time only you have to use a, next time you have to use other, isn't it? We usually use the when we talk about the person or thing again. Understood? First time what you have to use? A or an. But the second time when we are using this about the same thing, there the first thing she said a CD player, second time that CD player is only repeated, so that's why we use it the. Understood, children? So read you see the slides again and again, you'll understand. Okay. The CD player, the one that Mary bought. The same CD player she brought, but it has been used by second time. So that's why we have written the in this slide. Okay, children. However, there are some special uses of, okay, even though we have learned, sometimes it will be changes. A and an will be. So that is some changes while we are using, that is we call it as special uses of a and the. We use a and an with prices. What is the meaning of prices? If you take some chocolates, you will pay the money, no? So for example, 5 rupee chocolate, 10 rupee chocolate. So that 10 rupee, 5 rupee, that we call it as a prices. For all the things you will take from shop, or you will go from one side to one place to another, for everything you have to pay. That we call it as prices. Frequency and speed. That also, you know, the traveling, all this we call it as speed. While you are traveling also we have, so frequency, speed, for that also we'll use a and an. Sometimes what happen for the special things like what? For prices a and an we will use, for frequencies we will use, and speeds. Prices, it costs a 2 liter, to a liter, isn't it? So it costs a 2 liter, to a liter. So like that. And then frequency. See, drink about 3 cups of coffee a day. Frequency, drink about 3 cups of coffee a day, isn't it? So this is frequency. Next, speed. You are driving at 90 miles an hour. So have you all understood? So there's some things we have taken from. For that, what you have, we gave 2. That is the price, isn't it? Then the second one. So that fellow, I drank about 3 cups of a coffee a day. How many cups of coffee you will eat? Sorry, you will drink 3 cups a day. Next is speed. So how you are driving 90 miles an hour. So like this. This is the special cases you will use a and an. We use a and an before 100, 1000 and millions. So the numbers, 100 numbers, 1000 numbers, million. So for that example, 100 people, 1000 days, isn't it? So first one, what? We will use a and an will be for what? For consonants and vowels. And then next is special is there. In special, what, for which purpose we will use? For for speed, frequency and prices. Next will be for numbers like 100, 1000, million. So example for this one, 100 people, 1000 days. 100 people, 1000 days. We use a and an for talking about jobs. So what is job? Working. So for example, your father, your mother, isn't it? If your father may be an engineer, or your mother may be a teacher or a doctor. So for that also we'll use the what? A and an. I am a bank manager. So your father may be, I am a bank manager. Even your mother can be, isn't it? I am a bank manager. So it's a profession, the work, our job, isn't it? So these are the special cases where we will use a and an. Okay. Now we use the when there is only one of something. What does that mean? Only that is particularly, only that is a special type. So then we will use the. May I turn on the TV? Particular, no? Which one you are switch on? You are switching on the TV. So there also, may I turn on the TV? Then now you should not write may I turn a TV. May I turn on the TV? So where is Mary? Where is Mary? She is in the kitchen. So you don't know. I don't know means you can't say. She is. You know she is in kitchen. So that's why we are saying the kitchen. We use with the musical instruments. Do you all know what is musical instruments? That musical instruments are tabla, veena, guitar, isn't it? Violin. All these are the in front of musical instruments also will you see. I play the guitar. Jane plays the violin, isn't it? So this guitar and violin is what? Instruments, musical instruments. So that's in front of that also we have to use the. Okay children, I think you people have all understood, isn't it? So I think you just read this again and again and learn. This is very important, especially articles. So that's why you learn carefully. If you have any doubt, you can post it your doubt to the group, and we will try to clarify your doubts, and then practice it again and again. Okay children, thank you. Bye. See you in the next session.